so beautiful. Shh.
Look. Turn it on.
It's okay, they can just sit there.
I really hope she had a good time at prom tonight. I know I did.
I wonder if you enjoyed hanging out with me tonight. I had such a great time.
I've never felt this way before about a girl. I hope she likes me as much as I like her.
I've never felt this way about a guy. I hope he likes me as much as I like him. Maybe he'll even hold my hand.
I think I'll hold her hand. Her hand is so soft as a rose petal.
I hope he puts his arm around me. He's so nice.
I think I'll put my arm around her. She's so nice as a princess.
I really like him. If only he knew how much. Maybe he'll kiss me.
I really like her. If only she knew how much. Maybe I'll kiss her. If only she would stop eating those M&Ms. Oh well, here goes.